For us to move forward as a people. And so, Elder, may we move forward with this? May we, yes? May we move forward?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Yes.
Oh, thank you. Yes, yes, yes.
Release that pain, brothers.
Oh. All right. So, what the f is the point of all of this protest shit if it don't work? I'm in the country right now and I'm delivering. And I'm sitting at a f***ing stop and I'm waiting to get out. There's a lot of cars waiting. And as I'm getting the package out the back of the truck, some f***ing hick speeds around me, damn near hit me, called me a nigger and spit on me. Oh my God, dude. I want to bury somebody right now. Why? Why so much hate? Why so much hate? Why? I don't even cry. Like, that shit just, oh my God.